Cliffhangers. Yeah, they kinda suck, but with a musical period, we can leverage the suspense of a cliffhanger, then make a comeback and resolve the melody. If you're interested in boosting excitement and making your music more engaging, then stick around. This video is just the thing you're looking for. Hey everyone, it's Transverse Audio. Let's get right into it. A musical period is a type of musical phrase. This kind of phrase is split into two parts, a question and an answer, or more professionally, an antecedent and a consequent. These two are the same length, and there doesn't have to be a complete silence across all elements between the two parts, but it's definitely something you can do to create a greater impact. By using a question and answer in your music, you can add some tension to your music, and the suspense will really heighten the listener's interest that much more. Now, there's actually two different types of musical periods, parallel and contrasting. A parallel period is when the question and answer begin exactly the same or at least very similarly. It sounds something like this. A contrasting period is when both parts have very different melodies, like this one here. Making the actual music period is really simple. All you need to do is lead the question in a direction that can be resolved later with the answer. Try to make the question feel incomplete or have a light ending that can be slightly altered and more emphasized in the answer. It pretty much all comes down to including a musical period in a part of your composition in a way that makes sense. And remember, not every song needs a musical period, so use it sparingly. With this tactic in your arsenal of tricks, you'll now have something you can throw into a song to add some excitement. I hope you like this approach to composition, and if you want to share your thoughts on it, comment below. As always, thanks for watching.